So now we're here with Tony from Hill Residential. Tony, how are you?
Good to see you, Joe.
Good, great to see you. When we talk about lighting, we know that, for example, when you're in a movie theater, they bring the lights down while everyone's assembling, and then when the movie starts, it goes totally to black. When you're in a grocery store, the lights are blasting full on. Why? Because in that environment, it's appropriate to be able to read what's on the side of the cereal box. We talked about intelligent lighting just a little bit in our last segment. Now maybe you can start filling in some more of what you can do with intelligent lighting and what it's really all about.
Sure, so there's a lot of things we're going to dive into with intelligent lighting, and the first and foremost thing that I want to discuss is the wiring and how much more simple it is to wire an infrastructure for an intelligent lighting system. Now, I don't need switch legs like I would before in a typical system. So in other words, if I wanted to control these two lights, those would be wired back to a switch somewhere or wired down to a panel. Now I just need to get it power because all the control is built in. That's what makes it intelligent. I can do table lamps. I could do floor lamps because as long as I just leave that lamp on, now that lamp could also provide that same amount of light output at that same color as the rest of the lights in that space. So it's a much more simplified installation, reduces a lot on wiring infrastructure in a new home, and even in an existing home, it makes it very easy for us to create good lighting scenes as well. Because how many times have you been in your home and we do our lighting plan based on the furniture plan, and then you decide, hey, I don't know if the couch is going to work there. I want these two lights to go on together. Well, if that was the case in a traditional lighting system, we got to rip apart the ceiling, we got to rewire those things. Well, now digitally, I can go in and adjust those fixtures to go on together. Makes it very simple.
So having the intelligence in the light solves a lot of problems.
Correct.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So now let's talk about how intelligent lighting relates to color temperature and what that can mean for us.
So with Lutron's intelligent lighting systems, especially Ketra, Ketra can do every color temperature between 1400 Kelvin and 10,000 Kelvin. That's basically, we like to say all the Kelvins. So what you're getting is, as you can see here, we have 1400 Kelvin, which is candlelight. And then on the other side over there, we have 6500 Kelvin, which is basically the middle of the day. Now, we have a lot of people that say when they're building a new home, hey, we have a lot of natural light. We want a ton of daylight in the space. So they say, well, I want daylight. Well, that's great if this is in the middle of the day because this is the right light at this time of day, right? This is comfortable for maybe 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but maybe not if I have a house full of guests drinking a glass of wine at 10 o'clock at night. It's not very comfortable, right? But if I come over here and I'm under something, let's say 1800 K, this might be more suitable and more comfortable for my guests to be in my space. So having a light fixture that's intelligent, that knows where you are, that knows what time of day it is, that could adjust based on that time of day and where your location is, makes it more comfortable. And that's what really intelligent lighting systems are all about. It's how can we make your life better in your home? This is your place. This is the place that you've worked so hard to make this beautiful space. Let's make it as comfortable as we can.
So with Lutron, of course, you can both automate that so that those changes are happening during the day, but you can also make adjustments to it at any time that you choose.
Anytime that you choose. In other words, if it's the middle of the night and you said, hey, I really want to help my kids with this project and I need to see brilliant color, well, I can turn it on to, let's say, 5000 K, so it looks like the middle of the day in my space at night. Or you're having a party and, you know, in this neighborhood, it might be the Ravens, right? Maybe you have a bunch of people over for the Ravens game and you want to make all the lights purple. Go ahead and do that. And it's easy to do. You could do it with the click of a button.
So Tony, a moment ago, you referenced purple. Talk to us a little bit about color and what you can do with Ketra.
Sure, so Ketra is capable of doing 16.7 million colors. I referenced earlier how we do all the Kelvins, 1400 to 10,000 Kelvin. Well, we like to say you get all the colors too. You get 16.7 million saturated colors. And we need that to really accurately represent that black body curve of CCT, that 3000K to 1800K. You need to have some RGB in there to do that accurately. But, you know, for the fun portion, you know, you could do colors for parties or, you know, like we have St. Patrick's Day coming up, you know, let's make some of the lights in the house green, make it fun to play with. You could even use the app. You could take out your camera on the app, take a picture of a color, and have the lights represent that color, which is pretty cool.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Halloween, you could make it everything or pumpkin.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's talk also a little bit about one of the things I think that's coolest about lighting is the way it can affect your mood, because that's something that hadn't really occurred to me before.
Yeah, so just having that right color throughout the day. You know, have you ever been in a room where you just felt uncomfortable? It felt really blue light. Almost felt like you were in surgery or something like that. Fluorescent lighting in a space is never that comfortable. And think about how everybody has smartphones these days. And we all have this feature called night shift that we want to use at night because we all spend time on our devices at night. And night shift, what does that do? That takes the blue light out of there. Ketra is kind of like that solution for your house. We're removing that harmful light and warming that light as it gets later to make it more comfortable and more relaxing.
So you'll actually feel better as you go through your day. And again, that's dynamically changing, and you can make any adjustment you want at any point if you don't like where it's at a particular point.
Correct, and you know, I have it in my home, and one of the things that I like to do around winter time when we set the clocks back is it gets dark too early. So I adjust when I want sunset in my house. You know, I delay that for about 2 hours so it stays a little lighter longer. Or I could say, you know what, I don't want it to get above 5,000 Kelvin. That's really too blue for me. Or I don't want it to get below 2,300 Kelvin. The choice is yours. The system is infinitely scalable and adjustable to fit your needs in your home. This is about you and what you can do in your space to really feel more comfortable in your environment. Because lighting and audio and all those things that you guys do at Gramophone help create a comfortable space for you in your home. And here's what started it all, the Lutron Capri dimmer. Invented in 1959 by Joel Spira, Lutron was founded in 1961 on the basis of this invention, the first in-wall, solid-state, incandescent dimmer.
At Gramophone, we love that you're enjoying our passion for lighting and shading by Lutron. So thanks for coming along for the ride. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and click that little bell icon so you're always notified of our upcoming content.
So Ketra has a lot of fixtures available to fit your needs. We have the A20 fixture, which is a basic Edison-based light bulb. We have a par 30, which is the S30. We have a par 38, which is the S38. Now those can go into existing housings, a 4-inch housing or a 5-inch housing or a 6-inch housing, particularly in a retrofit application. We also have a retrofit option called the D4R, which is a 4-inch retrofit downlight. And then we move to our architectural grade downlights. We have the D3 downlight, which is a 3-inch aperture downlight, and our new D2 downlight, which is a 2-inch. Now, both of these architectural downlights are available in all types of options and finishes. We have different flanges. We have mud-in flange, flangeless, solid surface, drywall, different color trims, options, round or square. We also have linear options available. We have our Light Bar Slim downlight. And we also have our G2 linear downlight for those cove applications.
As this beautiful sunny day shows, the control of natural light is extremely important, and Lutron has a variety of styles of automated shades to address that. What I have behind me are our most popular style, which are roller shades. And one of the things that we love to show is the difference between opacities as well as colors. So if you were thinking about a beautiful view that you have through a large window in your home, you might think, I would love a nice white fabric with a 10% opacity, for example, and that just means how open the weaves are in the fabric. And that would let me see my view the best. But as you can see here from these white shades that we have in 1, 3, 5, and 10% opacity here, you cannot see through that nearly as well as you can through our charcoal shades to this side, which are also in 10, 5, 3, and 1% going out. So this is just a great opportunity to show clients firsthand, wow, I can really see through that charcoal fabric very nicely, and this is the opacity that I want for my window.
At Gramophone, we want to thank you for coming along on this journey while we've talked a little bit about lighting and shading. We hope it's been helpful to you. We'll put a link in the description so that you can contact us if you've got some questions or want to talk about your situation. You can always shop Sky by Gramophone, where you'll always get a secure checkout with fast and free shipping straight to your door. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you're notified of our upcoming highlights. Check out our Kitchen Design Center by Gramophone at MarylandKitchenDesign.com to learn more about our amazing kitchen and bath design, electrical, installation, and design and build services. Please visit us in Hunt Valley, Maryland, and we'll help you realize your dreams. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave us a comment, and we look forward to seeing you soon.